Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this mini jet fan from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Warranty card, user manual, fiber cloth, storage bag, USB-A to Type-C charging cable, and the mini blower. Okay, let's take a look at the mini blower. Okay, if we look on the bottom, you have the Type-C charger. You would just plug this into the unit, charge this into an AC adapter into the wall, and you would have lights here to indicate that it's fully charged. Has a long-lasting battery. Actually, it has like 2 cells. They're 4,000 milliamp hours each, so it should last a long time. You have rubberized grips on the front and the back, and then hard plastic on the sides and tops. Here's the on and off button. You have a powerful brushless motor with a high-speed fan that'll blow 62 meters per second. That's pretty strong. It has 5 different turbo fan speeds, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the 5th one is storm, or it's a mini jet dry. So not only will it blow a high-speed air, it will warm the air too, that would allow you to melt ice or snow in colder environments. On the front is the trigger to activate the fan. So let's turn it on. So to turn it on, you press and hold power button. You can see one indicator light is on. That would indicate gear number 1. Activate the trigger. That's the first speed. See if it'll blow the box. Okay, pull the trigger again. Speed number 2. Already blowing the box a little bit. Pretty powerful. Gear number 3. Speed number 4. Then for the high speed or mini dry blower, all the way 8 foot away, it's blowing the curtain. I have to say I'm very impressed with this mini dryer turbo fan. The fact that it has 5 different speeds is great and fantastic. Hope to have it for a long time. I really love that high speed that has the mini jet dry air that really allows a good push of dry air for defrosting snow or ice off your windshield. But it's very powerful in moving uh, small amount of dust if you need to off your keyboard, or heavier things from a distance, or various things. Put it on the turbo speed. So I highly recommend this 5-gear rechargeable cordless air blower.